Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Cadillac Escalade trunk. The most common way is using the exterior release button. Simply locate the button, usually above the license plate, and press it. You'll hear a soft click as the power liftgate begins to open smoothly. Make sure your Escalade is unlocked for this method to work seamlessly. It's a convenient and straightforward approach for daily use. Another convenient method involves your key fob. Just press the liftgate button twice, and the trunk will open automatically. If you're inside the vehicle, look for the interior liftgate button, typically found on the overhead console. A single press of this button will also activate the power liftgate, making it easy to access your cargo area. In rare situations, you might need to use the manual release. Inside the cargo area, near the latch, you'll find a small, glow-in-the-dark handle. Pull this handle firmly to manually unlatch the liftgate. This emergency release is essential if your power liftgate system isn't working or if the vehicle's battery is completely drained. It ensures you can always access your trunk. Closing your Escalade trunk is just as simple. You'll find a dedicated close button on the inside of the liftgate itself. Just press it once. Alternatively, you can use your key fob again by pressing and holding the liftgate button until it fully closes. Always double-check that the area around the trunk is clear before closing to avoid any potential obstructions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.